At 8:02 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Mystic, or 9 miles northwest of Hill City.
What are my receivers?
10 miles per hour. Expected hazards include golf balls. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be
The National Weather Service in Rapid City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Pennington County and West Central South Dakota until 9 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 8:02 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Mystic, or 9 miles northwest of Hill City, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include golf ball-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. This severe thunderstorm will be near Mystic, Silver City, Sheridan Lake, and Pectola Reservoir around 8:10 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties: Western Pennington, South Dakota.
But other people are
Yes!
not the source of it. So where do we find it? From our
Yes! Even the station I mainly listen to, I got it on video.
Only your shepherd can name you and bless you, and he does.
Yes!
Shepherd calls you by name.
Hell yeah, baby! I got it on my computer right here too. This is even better. Yes, baby. That is a good way to end my night.